So for today's adventure, we are exploring the Drumheller Channels at the Columbia National Wildlife Refuge. We are parked today at the Frog Lake Marsh Loop Trailhead, getting ready to do what in AllTrails is going to be called the Frog Lake Trail. So that's what you search for in AllTrails to find this hike. The hike today is going to be just over 3 miles, we think, and a couple hundred feet of elevation gain, so an easy hike. Anyways, today's adventure, the Frog Lake Trail. So when we were researching this hike prior to coming, what we noticed was that in Google Maps, the trail is called the Frog Lake Trail for its entire length, whereas in AllTrails, the AllTrails base map has it as the Frog Lake Trail for about 4/10 of a mile, and then the trail name changes to the Rimrock Trail, which is actually the trail name that you see listed on the National Park Service website. But to find the trail in AllTrails, you definitely have to search for Frog Lake Trail, and that's consistent with the name that Google Maps has for it.
We are on the Frog Lake Trail, which is just under 4 miles, and you might feel a little discouraged to drive out here just for that. So I do think it is important to note that there are 2 other trails at the parking lot called the Marsh Loop Trail and the Crab Creek Trail. So you can add some extra miles if you want to check them out.
A lot of bird song right now, huh?
There are a lot of birds. It's a constant little twitter.
It is.
A bug. Oh, still
They're not sticking around, are they?
Nope.
Nugget's sad that she's stuck on the leash. An unhappy Nugget. I think the leash law might actually also limit the length of the leash. I think it's supposed to be like 8 feet. I think so. I think I need to double check, but I think it's supposed to be 8-foot leash.
That's like just taller than a person.
So just over 3 miles and a hair over 200 feet of elevation gain, we're going to call Frog Lake Trail.
In the bag.
It's in the bag. And Savannah says,
Get outside.
Short trail, very short trail, but definitely interesting. I thought it was worth it. And like Savannah told you earlier, there are 2 other trails here based out of the same trailhead. So I think we're going to take a short break, and then we're going to check those out as well. Anyways, that's a wrap for this video. Get outside.